Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to recover or restore previous session tabs on your Mozilla Firefox. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to recover or restore previous session tabs in your Firefox browser after crashing or closing, then I will show you how to open this. First of all, you have to open your Firefox browser. After opening the browser, in top right side corner you will find three horizontal lines. Click on this, then click on settings. Click on these three horizontal lines, then click on settings. Guys, after clicking general, you will find the first option, open previous windows and tabs. You have to just check mark this option. After checking this, now I will close my Firefox browser and reopen it again. You can see my previous tabs has been restored. That's it guys. So in this way you can restore or recover previous session tabs in your Firefox. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.